Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and welcome you all to this creative visualization series 2. In each video, I will address a challenge generally a dot mandala artist faces and will help you rewire your beliefs with creative visualization. So my suggestion would be to play the video, keep your eyes closed for the first time until you play the video end to end. And the second time, you can watch the design however you want. Hello, amazing artists. Welcome to this sacred space. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. This is your moment, a moment for stillness, for creativity, for connection. As you prepare to create or simply receive, allow yourself to settle in. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw relax. Let your eyes soften and gently close them if you feel closing your eyes will help you feel more peaceful. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, which is your constant companion. There is nothing to fix, nothing to rush, nothing to prove. You are exactly where you need to be, and you are enough. Let's begin by tuning into your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Do that again. And this time, imagine inhaling a wave of calm and exhaling all the noise and tension. With each breath, imagine your body becoming a little lighter. Imagine the day melting away and your nervous system softening like a leaf floating on still water. Bring your awareness now to the crown of your head. Imagine a warm light beginning to glow there. This light carries peace, creativity, safety. As you breathe, feel this light slowly traveling down over your forehead, softening your eyes, releasing the tension between the eyebrows, down your cheeks, your jaw, your neck, and shoulders. With every exhale, feel your shoulders drop further away from your ears. Let gravity hold you now. This golden light continues flowing through your arms, chest, your back, all the way down to your fingertips. It travels through your belly, hips, legs, and all the way to your toes. You are fully here now, fully present, fully supported. Now, I invite you to imagine a special place, and this place is just for you, your creative sanctuary. It could be a real room in your home or a place you have never seen before. Maybe it's filled with sunlights and plants, or warm lamps and cozy corners. Notice the textures around you, the feeling of the floor beneath you, the scent in the air. Maybe there is a soft hum of music playing in the background, or complete silence that feels like a soft blanket around your spirit. In this space, you find your art tools arranged just the way you like, your brushes, your dotting tools, your colors. There is an MDF board in front of you, which is blank and full of potential. You're walking towards it and feel a small tingle in your fingers, a calling to create, to express, to connect with something higher. You sit down comfortably, holding your dotting tool. You dip it into your favorite color, and your hand hovers just above the MDF board. Now pause. What do you feel? How do you feel? Excitement? Anticipation? Or maybe a little fear? Perhaps there is a voice whispering inside your mind. What if I mess this up? What if I don't get the symmetry right? What if others don't like it? What if I'm not truly an artist? These whispers are not the truth. They are echoes from the past, echoes from pressure, echoes from your own perfectionism, and echoes from fear. Let's take a moment to hear them and then let them pass, just like the clouds drifting across the sky of your mind. You are not your doubts. You are not your fears. You are not your past experiences, too. You are the presence. You are the immense potential that you already have. You are a channel for beauty and energy. Take a deep breath in and exhale those old negative stories. You don't need them here. You don't need them anymore in future too. Now with your heart open and your breath steady, visualize someone entering your creative space. It's you, but not just any version of you. It is the artist you are becoming. She walks in with grace, calm, and a quiet confidence. She smiles at you with gentle eyes that says, I see you. I believe in you. She wears clothes stained with paint and joy. She walks with purpose and ease. She radiates peace, not because she never faced obstacles, but because she walked through them and kept going. She sits beside you and gently places her hand on your shoulder. And in the softest, most reassuring voice, she says, I am so proud of you. You didn't give up. You painted when no one was watching. You created from your heart even when the world did not understand you. You kept showing up even when you were scared. And because of that, you have become who you are today. So feel her presence with you now. Let her words wash over you like a gentle breeze, and that she is you, and you are her. Now picture yourself dipping your dotting tool into that paint again. The color is rich, the texture is perfect. You begin to place the first dot. It lands softly, effortlessly. One by one, you create a pattern. Each dot feels like a heartbeat, a breath, a prayer. You're not chasing perfection. Instead, you are embracing the moment. With each dot, you feel your confidence grow. You feel your breath sync with your movement. You feel the joy rising from your belly to your chest. And the time just melts away. There is only this present moment. Only you, your tools, your colors, and your truth. Now, as your future self watches with pride, I invite you to repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud also. And when you repeat these affirmations after me, leave a few seconds between each one to let the meaning of those affirmations sink deeply in your mind. I am an amazing artist. I trust my creative instincts. I honor progress over perfection. I allow my art to evolve naturally. I release judgment and embrace joy. My art is a reflection of my soul. Every dot I place is sacred. I am open to being seen. I create for myself first. Confidence grows each time I show up. I welcome growth, mistakes, and everything else that comes up with my art. My vision matters. My journey is beautiful. I am proud of how far I have come. I am enough just as I am. Let these words settle in your heart today and every day. Let them root into your spirit like seeds planted in fertile ground. Now, as your mandala nears completion, or as your mind rests in this visualization, take a moment to say thank you. Thank your hands for holding the tools and brushes. Thank your breath for staying with you. Thank your inner artist for being brave. Thank the canvas for receiving your energy and thoughts. Thank this moment for being real. Now, I want all of you to place your hand on your heart right now. Take one deep, nourishing breathe in. Hold it for a second and exhale slowly, fully. You have done something powerful today. You have honored your creative soul. You have shown up. You have trusted, and that is enough. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the seat beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your neck softly side to side. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Now look at the mandala on the screen or the one you are creating. See it not just with your eyes, but with your soul. See the patience in each stroke, the bravery in each color, the beauty in your effort. You are an artist, you are growing, you are healing, and your light is needed in this world. If something shifted in you today, if you felt peace or connection or hope, I invite you to share your experience in the comments. Let's build a space of kindness and encouragement for all artists walking this journey. Together we rise. Thank you for being here. Thank you for creating. Thank you for trusting. Until next time, I wish you all the best for everything in your life. Thank you.